Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna salad the black way, an easy and delicious method. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, well drained, along with 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget 1/4 cup of finely diced celery and 1/4 cup of diced red onion for that perfect crunch. A tablespoon of sweet relish adds a lovely tang. Let's get cooking. Now that we have all our wonderful ingredients, it's time to bring them together. In a medium-sized bowl, gently flake your well-drained tuna using a fork. Then, add in the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, the 1/4 cup of crisp celery, the 1/4 cup of diced red onion, and the 1 tablespoon of sweet relish. Mix everything thoroughly until it's beautifully combined and creamy. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Seasoning is key to elevating your tuna salad to perfection. We'll add 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for a subtle warmth. For an extra layer of savory goodness, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Give it a good stir, then taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings to your liking, ensuring it's just right for you and your family. Your delicious black-style tuna salad is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it chilled on your favorite toasted bread, crisp crackers, or even in a fresh lettuce wrap. It makes a fantastic sandwich, a quick and easy lunch, or a delightful side dish. Garnish with a little fresh parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color. This recipe yields about 4 generous servings, perfect for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.